everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. First we'll be making the flower using these straws. Cut it like this and paste them one by one as shown in the video. Fix it in the between like this and it's ready. Next, we will be taking a plastic water bottle cap and then take a string and then fix it like this. Now put the cloth over it like this. Now roll it and make the flowers. These looks very beautiful when you decorate them in your houses. So try it and let us know in the comment section whether you liked it or not. Next, take these blue paper pieces like this and then paste them and stick them together like this using the heat. Fix more of them together to make a flower. Roll it and then fix it one by one. Fix it together, put a pearl in the between and it's ready. Next, we'll be creating some more interesting crafts. So for that, we'll take a paper and cut it out like this and paste them together one by one. Now paste it from the sides. Now take a white color cloth and then roll it like this. Fix it in the between and your flower is ready. Next, we'll be creating some more beautiful crafts. For that, we'll take a string like this, press it and put the plastic over it and then roll it like this. Make few more as such and join all of them together. Put a yellow color plastic and then fix the pink color over it like this and your flowers are ready. Next, we'll be creating more flowers using different color plastics and themes as shown in the video. For that, we'll take this colorful paper like this and paste them together and follow the same step as we are showing in this video. Fix them and your flower is ready. Thanks for watching our video.